there. One lady walks in and says she lifts some sunflower seeds and shows it and tells the shopkeeper. She asks in Hindi, ये सुना है ये खाने से वजन कम होता है. Okay. And the shopkeeper says, मैम हर कोई पूछता है ये खाने से वजन कम होता है या ज्यादा होता है. आज तक ये किसी ने नहीं पूछा कितना खाने से कम होता है. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome to this session.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. I'm happy to being you here.
Thank you so much for bringing me here. I am speaking to you from Bangalore, ma'am. Where are you speaking from?
I'm from Punjab, sir, specifically from district Jalandhar.
You're from Jalandhar. Okay, okay, fine.
Yes.
Great. Meenakshi, how are you doing for today?
Yes, I'm doing great, fresh as a flower. Flower.
Okay, yeah, the effects of English Yari is showing on you.
Right, because English Yari tutors always push us to add some idioms, vocabulary in your English. So that's also mandatory.
Yes. Okay. What do you do? Just a short introduction. But I generally stop at introducing myself that I'm from Bangalore, and most of the students who learners who come here, I presume that they would have read my biodata and they would know something about me.
Already,
So
actually, I also watched some of your videos, sir, with Sunita Rawat ma'am, Neha ma'am, Karishma Chauhan. There are many others YouTuber where I already watched you. So you have a vast of knowledge. I appreciate you.
vast of knowledge is actually not a phrase. You
Okay,
have you have vast knowledge.
vast knowledge. Okay, off is not
Yes,
mandatory here.
off is not there.
Right.
Okay, there is one more very nice term I'll give you.
Sure.
Uh, there is one more term which goes. Look at this. Just read this one, Meenakshi.
Sure, sir. Okay, fund of knowledge.
Yes. Yeah, the term that is used, fund of knowledge, is the phrase that we already use. Uh,
Okay,
your fund of knowledge is immense.
imagine.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not praising myself. I'm just giving you some English. My fund of knowledge is very limited. Very limited. So your fund of knowledge is great. Okay, that is the term you can use. Fund of knowledge, even in literary English, you will get a lot of phrases where they use this fund of knowledge. Very nice term. Make a note of it and start using it.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Absolutely right. Because I have a habit, like after taking the session, I watched whole video, entire video. So whenever tutor asks me any question where I feel stuck, I try to revise the same question. Because every time we can't show up, right? Like I can't say like if you ask me any spontaneous question and I will able to give you answer on the right time, oh sorry, at the same time. So
Yes.
after some time might I will gather some more ideas, and in on my next station I would be speak better than now. So that's
Yes.
actually the advantage of taking session and get the recording from yours.
Yes, absolutely. Meenakshi, I'll tell you one thing. We all know how to get better in English.
Right.
Okay, we all know that is the knowledge is everywhere. If you just see internet, you are looking for two, you'll get 200 ideas
Right.
how to improve English. But application, the one thing that you are doing that is lacking in generally human beings. Okay,
Exactly.
all of us know the knowledge, but the application is something that is lacking. I'll tell you one nice incident. I went to uh, this thing, dry fruit shop. Okay, I went to a dry fruit shop, and there were many things, almonds and nuts and all those things. And there was one watermelon seeds and all those kinds of seeds. You'll find everything. It
Okay.
was like a chocolates on display. Okay, all kinds of seeds and nuts were there.
It was amazing.
Yeah, nobody asks how much you should eat. Everybody is about eating something to reduce weight, but nobody knows how much to eat.
How
That is
much?
exactly the reason everybody is putting on weight and nobody is reducing, because they don't ask the right question, how much to eat. That is
Right.
exactly the point.
Actually,
Application, huh?
sorry for interrupt you. The same question. Today itself, I asked what happened. Actually, I told to Chat GPT, like these days I don't know why I am forgetting the things.
Huh.
Whenever I learn anything, by end of the day, it seems that I was running on a hamster wheel. So then ChatGPT says, might it's a overloaded content. Like you are just consuming the content and you're not delivering that. And it
Yes.
happened with me actually. Like
Yes.
just since for the past 2 or 3 days, might I am just learning a lot of vocabulary, and
Hmm.
now or today itself I feel why I am learning a lot of vocabulary if I am not remembering of those, right? So now I feel, no, if I am capable enough to learn 3 or 4 words in a day, that's enough for me, because I have another works to do. I can remember those things, those words, while doing my household chores, while playing with my daughter. I have random things to do, so that time I can just remember those words, so it
Yes.
can give me a satisfaction. So it's a overloaded when we just
Yes.
overload the content.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
In fact, I would say I would go one step further. I would
Yes.
go one step further to tell
Hmm.
you even 2 to 3 per day is very high. Even
Hmm.
2 to 3 per day is very high in order to learn. I would
Yes.
say maximum 5 for a week.
Yeah.
Maximum 5 for a week words, the number of new words, idioms, phrases, everything combined. Even if you learn five and use it wholeheartedly,
Yes.
left, right, and center, if you use those five
Hmm.
words, that is a better option than going for 3 or 4 words every day.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Exactly.
that's my suggestion. So I mean, I've been kind of being more brutal than ChatGPT here to give you a suggestion, but that's the true suggestion. You can't
That.
overload. You
Yeah.
can't overload. Okay.
Exactly, exactly. It it can be a stress for us. We
Yes.
distract. Might we are not capable enough, right, to learn such things. It's a distraction also,
Yes.
right? Like being a housewife, if I say, okay, today I have learned 5 questions by end of the day, and
Uh,
if I will not complete my task, it gives me distraction or stressed. Might
yes.
I'm not capable, right? I'm not a highly intellectual, I'm not a quick-witted person, so that is why I am not gathering the content. So it is I try to underestimate myself, so that is
Mhm.
not required. So it's a mindset, human mindset. How do you think,
Yes.
what's your capability? So after that you can see your growth. If you
Absolutely.
are learning something in a right way, that is your actual growth, according to me.
Yes, correct. Wonderful. Very nicely said. The kind of wonderful phrases that you use sprinkled around in your conversation is nice to hear, Meenakshi.
Yes.
Isn't it? So it gives a teacher too much confidence that here is one student who is putting all the efforts required to
Yes.
learn the language.
Yes.
But what is your motivation, ma'am?
Nothing like that, sir, because when I started my journey, I started from ground, and I have a habit to to speak and to maintain the balance of everything. Like when I kick off my day, I try to listen to some motivation thing, whether it's Acharya Prashant sir, Sandeep Maheshwari sir. I am a spiritual kind person. I believe in Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and everything is in Guru Bani. So I
Yes.
can take the motivation from them, right? So whenever I listen to them, then I feel, okay, learning is a never ending process,
Yes.
right? If I say, okay, if I set my goal, that I have to reach on that goal, might I can't enjoy my journey, right? If I say, no, no, I don't be a goal oriented, I must be a process oriented,
Yes.
right? So if I try to focus on those things where I am learning and I will not reach to my goal, okay, I am just trying to reach there. But if I say I have a particular time to reach there, I can't enjoy, and it give me a, another level of stress. So why I take the stress? I have a daughter, I want to enjoy time with her, no matter how many works are pending, no matter I completed my, learning process or not, but this time I will enjoy with her. So that's, there is no indispensable thing for me. So
Yes. Yes. Wonderful. There is no indispensable thing for me. Great use of words.
yes.
Keep on doing that because at this point, learning happens like this. When learning happens when you attach a little bit of difficulty to your learning process. When you're in your comfort zone, you don't learn anything. When you overwhelm yourself, the the mind doesn't support your body. Okay, there is a conflict between your mind and your body, and you start feeling stress. That's not the correct one.
Exactly, exactly.
Just the right amount of stress. Okay, so you are a person who is in love with the process rather than the end goal.
Yes.
And that's exactly what motivates you learn English.
Yes, exactly, sir.
Okay, great.
That because I am a person who didn't know to express myself. I didn't know the meaning of myself. But now, at least, I am able to express my thought. Right. So even though I am housewife, I live in the nuclear family, but I believe in the consistency. Right. So initial days, even if I didn't get enough time, but from during that time I tried to get out just 10 or 15 minutes for me, so it was me time. So where I learned, right? So okay, if I can reach this level, so now I have 20 or 30% knowledge, I can get more by the
Yes.
after a long span of time. It's all depend on me.
Yes, yes. You told about me time. Okay, you talked about me time. So basically, in a nuclear family setup, it's only husband, wife, kid. It's not a joint family. The support system is not too big. You have to do everything, right?
Everything. Yes.
In this kind of a setup, I can't understand. I can't process that with a kid. What's the age of your kid, Meenakshi?
She's 5 years old, sir. She
Five
has
years.
completed her 5 years actually on 26th of October. It's
Yes.
January.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When my wife and I we were bringing up our kid. Now my son is 18 years old. Now
Okay.
when he was 5, I for the first 3 years we did not have understand the concept of me time at all. Okay, because even ours was a nuclear family with just the two of us and the kid. We bought him up. No sleep, just go to office, take care of him. Again, go to get vegetables, take care of him. And my wife also, in between his nap, she used to catch up on her nap.
Okay.
Okay, in between he sleeping, she would sleep and just add up on her sleeping. How do you manage, man? When the kid comes into this world, me time is a concept that you need to throw out of the window completely. So in all this thing, you manage to sometime, unwind yourself also and try to do what you like spiritually, mentally. How do you do it? And what are the things that you do during that me time?
Yes, yes. Actually, sir, there are many people who says that after 1 year you will be free, right? Like you will be free, that there is no much responsibilities on your shoulder. But according to me, even this time, sometimes I face that in today's era, raising children wisely, it's really a toughest job in this world, right? So those days I, even I was short tempered, so I lost my temper very quickly, right? So but I tried to manage, because I know, earlier we lived in the joint family. If the mother is furious, so children went to their his or her sorry, grandmother, grandfather, chacha ji, chachi ji. There were many members to handle the children. So once the mother calmed down, children again came back to her, to their parent, and they just handled. So everything just vanished after some time. But now, if the mother is angry, grumpy for some time, everything we have to come out, in front of our children. So that is why children are also becoming,
Yes.
their nature is also matches with their parents also,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
So yes, those days. But actually my husband is a preacher, so he does the job in Gurdwara Sahib. He's a preacher, like Katha Vachar.
Ah.
So, like he helped me a lot, right? No matter that if I was not well, I was not feeling well, and I was not in mood to handle her. So he helped. He gave me hand. Right? Why I neglect that everything I manage alone? No, not at all. He gave me hand. So yes, I didn't know that how the time flew. Is it right? Flew.
Yeah, how the time flew. Yeah, absolutely correct.
How the time flew. So yes, but at least now I am content that okay, whatever I give, however I nurtures her, it was a good parenting according to me. I don't know on the other eyes, but in my eyes, I feel that okay, I gave the good nurtures to her, right? So
Okay.
I handled everything okay. Sometimes because my mother's house, my maiden home, is very stone throw away. So whenever I was not in good mood or I feel blue, so sometimes I went there and just refresh myself. And
Yes.
I live in the Gurdwara Sahib. I went to those days. I went to the Gurdwara Sahib and tried to refresh my mind, calm down. So at least it gave me a serenity. So yes,
Ah.
those the things. That's how I handled everything.
Wonderful, wonderful. At least you have, you told me that your parents' house is just at a stone's throw away from your house. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But one thing that I like is your house setup is than a normal looking family. It's more of a spiritual environment that is there. You yourself being a devout Sikh. Can I say that? You yourself being a devout Sikh, your husband is a preacher. The
Yes.
atmosphere is quite, that gives a lot of, serenity in the house for the kid to
Hmm.
grow, isn't
Yeah.
it? I can still remember my grandmother's place when I was little. Uh, 6 o'clock, whether somebody is asking or not, she will just put this MS Sublakshmi, so MS Sublakshmi, one famous singer from the south, Sandhya Vandana, or the morning raga, some of the mantras or something, that songs she will put. And we used to wake up to that song. And the day used to go so nicely because the spirituality is something which brings calm, which brings, the kind of stoppage that you require in this fast-paced world.
Right.
So good, nice. This is a nice environment, Meenakshi. Keep doing that. Keep doing that.
Yes,
There is
exactly.
one. There is one word I'll give you. I'll give you one word. I would want you to make some sentences from this word.
Okay.
Okay, this is a word that you told,
Hmm.
but I would want you to again refresh your knowledge of this word. Yeah,
Nurture. Okay.
yeah. Nurture, nurture.
Nurture. Okay.
Yes. You told this word. First, I would want to know what is the meaning of this word, Meenakshi.
Nurture. Upbringing.
Yes, taking care
Taking.
to generally nurture. It could be I am nurturing my baby.
Yes, nurture.
Okay.
Nurture.
Yes.
R is
Yes.
silent. R is not silent, but
R is
it's
silent. Nurture.
nurture.
Nurture. Yeah.
Yes.
R is silent. Not nurture. Nurture.
Nurture. Thank you
Yes.
so much. Actually, I was about to say before I thought, okay, in my today's sessions, I would tell to my tutor that I want to work on my pronunciation part, because yesterday I jotted down some words, because every tutor gives me this feedback that you have a little bit
Punjabi. Yeah. Punjabi accent.
So that's why I thought, okay, I will tell like honesty. Honesty. Yesterday I jotted down some very simple words.
Yes.
Honesty, disappointment, disappointment. Here is O sound.
Disappointment. Yes.
O sound.
Hmm.
Disappointment. Am I,
Yes.
sir? Please, am I pronouncing right? Please, where you feel that I am pronouncing incorrectly, correct me. Honesty is right.
Yes. Correct.
Disappointment.
90% correct.
Okay, so how I can correct it 100%?
This is very difficult for me to correct for you because this is something you're culturally conditioned to speak in a certain way. Uh, डिस डिस को छोड़ दीजिए, फिर सिर्फ अपॉइंटमेंट बोलिए।
Appointment.
हाँ, गलती वहां पे है। ठीक है,
Okay.
डिस में गलती नहीं है।
Okay.
अपॉइंट सीखे। अपॉइंटमेंट में अप को भी छोड़ दीजिए, मेंट को भी छोड़ दीजिए। ये जो एक एक डॉट डालते हैं उसको मैथ्स में क्या बोलते हैं? अ डॉट, व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड?
Dot.
हाँ, इट्स कॉल्ड अ पॉइंट।
Point.
Point. Okay, now that's exactly the word that you need to spell rightly, that you need to pronounce. Point. Okay,
Disappoint.
disappointment.
Dis-
Disappointment.
Disappointment.
Ah, yeah, I'll give you a breakdown. This up
Okay.
point
Point.
meant. इसको पढ़िए, इसको पढ़िए. I just sent you something. Please read this.
Okay. Disappointment. Appointment.
Absolutely, yes. Disappointment. ये जो
Disappoint.
that's the correct. So in this word, the error is happening in the pronunciation of point.
Point.
Everything else is coming rightly. Point is the mistake.
Okay, that is so
Disappointment. Yeah, O sound नहीं आ रहा था.
yes.
आपने A sound disappointment आ रहा था. Disappointment.
Okay. Right. Point.
Okay.
Point. Disappointment. Disappointment.
Yes.
Now I
Okay.
got it. It's a very nice way you told.
Yes.
Okay. The another one is goals. Goals.
100%.
Okay. Podcast.
यहाँ पे भी ओ साउंड आना चाहिए, ए साउंड नहीं. पॉड, पॉड.
Podcast.
यस, यस.
But
नॉट
every time I pronounce it, once I pronounce correctly, then I again. So give me the same example like you understood me. Disappointment. So now please tell me the trick to learn this word also. Podcast.
ये इजी है. इसको बस आपको पॉड और का ये पॉड पढ़िए. पहला वर्ड पढ़िए इसमें.
Pod.
पॉड,
Pod.
पॉड, पॉड. ठीक है,
Pod.
पॉड. वो ओ का स्ट्रेस थोड़ा ज्यादा है. पॉड.
Okay. It's pod.
यस,
Podcast.
पॉडकास्ट.
Okay.
पॉडकास्ट. ओ का स्ट्रेस इसमें ज्यादा है यार. लेकिन आपने जब आप पहली बार आपने जब पॉडकास्ट बोला था, ये ओ नहीं आया, ए आया. पॉडकास्ट ऐसे आया था. तो
Yes, because
इसलिए
I thought AH. O sound is AH, I thought.
यस, दैट इज द मिस्टेक दैट यू डू. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स पॉडकास्ट.
Okay, podcast.
यस, नाउ इट्स 100% करेक्ट.
Okay, that there is a shortage of time, I guess. So I
अरे
can
हो गया क्या इतनी जल्दी टाइम? ठीक है, दो तीन वर्ड और बोलिए. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
right. The next word is responsible. Responsible.
हाँ, देखिए ये ट्रेंड नजर आ रहा है मुझे. जहां पे भी ओ साउंड है वहां पे आपको मुश्किल आ रही है. ठीक
Nice.
है,
That's what I
ओ
want.
साउंड में, हाँ, ओ साउंड में आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. जहां पे ओ साउंड है वहां आप ए लगाते हो. दैट्स द
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम मैडम. ठीक है. रेस, रेस बोलिए फिर से.
Res.
हाँ, रेस.
Responsible.
रेस्पॉन्सिबल. आप ठीक बोला आपने. यस,
Responsible.
यस. रेस्पॉन्सिबल. इसको पढ़िए.
Okay. Responsible. Responsible.
पॉन, 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 पॉड, पॉन, डॉन.
Okay. Responsible. Responsible.
यस, पॉन्सिबल. रेस्पॉन्सिबल.
Responsible. Okay. I thought it's responsible, not it's responsible.
रेस्पॉन्सिबल. रेस्पॉन्सिबल. जहां पे भी स्पेलिंग में ओ आता है, वहां पे आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा ओ साउंड निकालना होगा, ना कि अ साउंड.
Sound.
ओ और अ में आपको अंतर समझना होगा. एंड दैट इज वन थिंग दैट विल करेक्ट यू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ड्स इन योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
Right.
ठीक है.
Because of the O sound, there are many mistakes I make every day.
यस. Yes.
The next one is whole, whole, whole paragraph.
Whole paragraph. Wonderful. 100% correct.
The next one is also, also.
Also. Yeah.
The
Correct.
next one is overall,
Oh,
overall, the overall. Oh,
correct. Yes.
okay.
Correct.
Overloaded, overloaded.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Same. O sound problem. Over.
Oh,
हाँ. इसको पढ़िए.
okay. Low point of my life. Low,
पहला वर्ड फिर से बोलिए. पहला वर्ड फिर से बोलिए.
low.
उसी साउंड को यूज करके ओवरलोडेड बोलिए.
Okay, low. Overloaded. Oh, low. Oh,
लो.
overloaded.
ला नहीं. लो.
Low,
लो. ओवरलोडेड. ओवर
loaded.
लो डेड. अब पढ़िए इसको. नाउ यू विल डू इट राइट.
Okay, overloaded. Low, overloaded.
ओवरलोडेड. ओवर लो. लॉ नहीं. लो. लॉ नहीं.
Okay, so now
आप
I can use
the way you are pronouncing is law.
now.
लॉ. वकील जो बनते हैं ना, लॉ जो प्रैक्टिस, that law you are telling.
Okay.
Low. This is the lowest point of my life. I want